Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Learn Up English, the podcast where we make English easy and fun for beginners. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. We're so happy you're here today. In this episode, you'll learn how to talk about yourself in English.
That's right. You'll learn how to say your name, where you're from, what you do, and even a few fun facts about yourself.
We'll practice real conversations, repeat key phrases, and share some fun mini-stories. So, stay with us till the end. You'll sound more confident when introducing yourself in English.
And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new English lesson.
All right, let's get started.
Let's begin with something very simple, how to introduce yourself. Here's the first line. Hello, my name is Paul. Say it with me. Hello, my name is Paul.
Great. You can also say, Hi, I'm Emily. That's a shorter and more natural way.
Yes. Hello, my name is sounds a bit more formal. Hi, I'm is friendly and common. Let's repeat both. Hello, my name is Paul. Hi, I'm Paul.
Now your turn. Say your name out loud. Nice job.
Next, let's talk about where you're from. You can say, I'm from Pakistan, or I come from Japan.
Both are correct. I'm from is more common and natural. Let's practice together. Where are you from, Paul?
I'm from England. And you, Emily?
I'm from Canada.
Great. Now, your turn. Say, I'm from your country.
Very good. You sound great already. Now, let's say what you do. If you have a job, you can say, I'm a teacher. I'm a doctor. I work in a bank.
If you're a student, you can say, I'm a student. I study English. I study computer science.
Let's practice with a mini conversation.
Hi, Emily. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a podcaster and an English teacher.
That's great.
Now it's your turn, everyone. Say, I'm a your job or study area.
Perfect.
Now let's make your introduction more interesting. Let's talk about hobbies. You can say, I like playing football. I love cooking. I enjoy listening to music.
Or use a simple one. My hobby is reading.
Let's have a little fun story.
Oh, I love stories. Tell us one, Paul.
Okay. When I meet new people, I always say, Hi, I'm Paul. I'm from England. I like cooking and playing guitar. And usually people say, Wow, you play guitar? Then we start a nice conversation.
See, when you talk about your hobbies, people can connect with you easily.
That's right. So, think about your hobbies. Now repeat after us. I like, I love, I enjoy.
Good job. Now, let's talk about family. You can say, There are 4 people in my family. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. My parents are teachers.
Let's practice with a short dialogue.
Paul, tell me about your family.
Sure. There are 5 people in my family. My parents, my 2 sisters, and me.
Nice. I have a small family. There are 3 people in my family. My husband, my son, and me.
That's great. Now you try say how many people are in your family.
Perfect. You're doing amazing.
Now, let's add a few sentences about your daily life. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to work at 9. I study English every day.
Let's make a small conversation.
Emily, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. I like to have coffee and read a book. What about you?
I wake up at 7 and go for a walk.
Great. Now you try. What time do you wake up?
Nice. Speaking English every day will make you fluent step by step.
Okay. Let's put everything together. Here's an example. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I like reading and cooking. There are 3 people in my family. I study English every day.
Very good. Now listen again slowly. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I like reading and cooking. There are 3 people in my family. I study English every day.
Now it's your turn. Try to make your own short introduction.
You can say it out loud or write it in the comments below. We'd love to read it.
Let's review what we learned today. We practiced how to say your name. Hi, I'm Emily. Say where you're from. I'm from Canada. Talk about your job or studies. I'm a teacher. Share your hobbies. I like cooking. Talk about your family. There are 4 people in my family.
Great work. Now, let's have a mini quiz. Question 1. How do you say your name? Correct. Hi, I'm your name. Question 2. How do you say your hobby? Right again. I like your hobby.
You're learning so well. Keep going, practice makes perfect.
You did an amazing job today. You learned how to introduce yourself and talk about your life in English.
Now, here's your challenge. In the comments, write a short introduction about yourself. Tell us your name, where you're from, your hobby, and your job or school.
We'll read some of your comments in our next episode.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep learning with us every week.
You're doing great. Keep practicing English every day.
See you next time on Learn Up English. Bye, everyone.